So, what are the polka dots here, Dr. Godez?
Polka dots, well, I decided to decorate my cat's room, and this is kind of the pattern that I chose.
Kind of like it. Reminds me of gases.
Yeah, gases. It actually is. That's what I was thinking when I designed this wallpaper. It's a representation of a mixture of gases. The air that we're breathing, it's a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen and a little bit of argon. And so the different colors represent different molecules of a gas. And one of the things you'll notice about it is that there's a lot of space in between the molecules, right? And that's actually representative of what's actually happening in the gases. There's a lot of space in between the molecules, and they all move around and dance around. They bounce off of each other.
That was great.
Yeah, and but there's a lot of space, and so that's one of the reasons why they're not very dense. And it turns out that because of that, you can treat the gases as if they were separate, right? And in the activity that we're going to be dealing with, you're going to be calculating something called partial pressure. You can treat each gas as individual and calculate the pressure of just the green ones, or the pressure of just the red ones, or the pressure of just the blue ones. If you add them all together, you get the pressure of the total gas, but they kind of behave, you can treat them independently. Right? So if you look at this, what do you think is going to have the highest pressure, the red, the blue, or the green?
Well, I'm thinking the oxygen is going to have the highest pressure because there's just a lot of oxygen. And I'm guessing oxygen is red.
Okay, right. In this particular case, we'll say the oxygen is red. So this is very oxygen-rich, more molecules, more pressure. The green ones, maybe they represent argon, not very much of it, and so that's going to have a lower partial pressure. And so that's what their first activity is about, partial pressures. The second activity is about our favorite topic, stoichiometry.
Ah, it's back.
It's back, and what's the rule?
Moles.
Get to moles. Get to moles. Get to moles. Get to moles. Get to moles. We're going to ask you to do combine gas law, where you can calculate moles from pressures and volumes and things like that, with calculating moles from grams. So you react certain grams of material, you use the balanced equation to get the moles of a product, and maybe the product is a gas. Calculate pressures and volumes of the gas. Right? So it's just adding one more twist in to that whole picture. And so I'm sure you're going to enjoy that a lot. We'll see you in class.
And good luck painting your cat's wallpaper.
Thanks. They'll enjoy it.